BSA B65 Scrambler. The BSA B65 Scrambler made a quiet entrance, but don't let that fool you. This retro-inspired dirt roadster is pure charm. With its 650cc single-cylinder engine delivering 47 horsepower, it's the perfect blend of nostalgia and modern performance. Those 70s-inspired colors, chef's kiss, and the best part? If it lands near its predecessor's £6,999 price point, competitors like Triumph's Scrambler 400X might feel the heat. Affordable, stylish, and practical. What's not to love? Triumph Tiger Sport 800. Next up, Triumph's Tiger Sport 800. Think of it as the older, wiser sibling to the Tiger Sport 660. Packing 115 horsepower, this bike is ready for touring, city riding, and everything in between. With a price designed to undercut Yamaha's Tracer 9, it offers style, versatility, and the signature Triumph triple-cylinder growl. It's practical, punchy, and downright irresistible. Suzuki DR-Z4. Suzuki went retro with a twist by reviving the iconic DR-Z400. Meet the all-new DR-Z4. Available in both trail and supermoto versions, it keeps its classic, rugged vibe, but adds modern touches like LED lighting and updated rider modes. At around 7,000 pounds, this trailblazer is perfect for summer adventures. It's reliable, ready for action, and downright fun. Honda CB1000 Hornet. Talk about bang for your buck. Honda's CB1000 Hornet is here to dominate. With a detuned Fireblade engine pumping out 150 horsepower, a stunning TFT dash, and a starting price of just £8,999, it's a giant killer. Want more? The SP version cranks up the power and features premium components for only £9,999. It's sleek, powerful, and affordable. A total win. Ducati Panigale Streetfighter 5.2. Ducati's new V2 lineup is leaner, meaner, and downright exciting. The updated 890 cubic centimeter engine offers 120 horsepower of flexibility and fun. While it's lighter and sharper, the real kicker is the price, with savings of up to £2,000 compared to previous models. The Panigale 5.2 is perfect for track days, while the Streetfighter 5.2 screams street performance with a touch of luxury. Ducati's done it again. KTM 1390 Super Duke GT. The beast gets an upgrade. KTM's 1390 Super Duke GT takes its insane performance to the next level. Lighter, more powerful, and packed with tech, this sports tourer isn't for the faint of heart. Think bonkers performance with just enough practicality to make it an everyday rider. KTM proves once again why it's a fan favorite for adrenaline junkies. BMW F450 GS. BMW's F450 GS concept turned heads, and for good reason. This lightweight, twin-cylinder adventure bike is built for serious off-road thrills. With 48 horsepower and BMW's signature rugged style, it promises to be one of the most accessible and capable GS bikes ever. Production can't come soon enough. Honda GB350S. Small but mighty. The Honda GB350S is finally making its way to Europe. This 348 cubic centimeter single-cylinder bike boasts 21 horsepower, retro styling, and Honda's legendary build quality. Priced at just £3,949, it's perfect for new riders or anyone craving a charming city cruiser. Bonus points if the rumored 500cc version becomes reality. Morebidelli T1002VX. The Morebidelli T1002VX, a sleeper hit. This Chinese-built V-twin offers a modest 88.5 horsepower, a sleek design, and premium features like a TFT screen and wire wheels. But here's the kicker. It starts at just £8,699, half the price of European rivals with twice the appeal. Is this the year Chinese brands take center stage? Only time will tell. Yamaha R9. Finally, the Yamaha R9 is here, and it's everything we hoped for. Built on the MT-09 platform, it's more than just a dressed-up sibling. With its 119 horsepower triple-cylinder engine, upgraded suspension, aero winglets, and a price around £12,000, this bike might just steal the show in the sports category. And let's not forget the excitement brewing for Yamaha's updated MT-07 series. Thrilling times ahead. So there you have it, 10 incredible motorcycles that are set to make waves in 2025. Which one caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the world of motorcycles. Until next time, keep the throttle open and the rubber side down. Ride safe!